Hello, everyone, and welcome to our submission for HackFS. As a part of our submission, we have built a project known as a decentralized social media platform. Basically, we've been brainstorming the idea of when it comes to censorship to data and owning centralized ownership of information when it comes to social media platforms. That is one issue that inspired us to build this. The other one is at the moment right now there is no way to capitalize a particular piece of social media that is extremely popular, has a lot of likes, or if someone would like to buy the IP rights or rather ownership of that particular piece of social media, such things don't exist. And this is where we kind of wanted to bring in on chain help here, or rather we wanted to bring in the concept of blockchain, where you can not just upload a social media as the example you can see. You can also convert this to an NFT, mint it as an NFT, and then sell it in the marketplace. Apart from this, this is the primary objective of this application. Apart from this, we have also added, if you see on the right side, we have added some trending hashtags as well as articles related to that, where some of the times, especially recently, there's a lot of things going on virtually in the globe. So we want to not just see pictures on social media, but maybe also be aware of the different news around the globe that is happening. So you can type the hashtags of your choice and you will get some information related to these hashtags, trending information related to these hashtags from various different sources on the internet. So the couple of sponsors that we have used here are Zora, Polygon, of course IPFS since this is HackFS, and we also tried to use Chainlink for this particular Oracle system where we are getting the data from the external world, these news. Unfortunately, we haven't been able to get the exact data that we require because it is because of missing nodes, especially on the Mumbai testnet. We didn't find any active nodes. We tried this with Coven, where one of the active nodes was there and it was working. But for the final submission in the app, you would see this data is more or less coming as static. But for the mainnet project that we'll go for, this data would be coming from Chainlink. So let's get started. This is a small demo. We are going to be connecting our wallet. So I'm just opening up MetaMask and connecting my wallet right now. Once the wallet is connected, you'll be able to see the address pop here, which is the wallet address. And yeah, just like any other social media, you can upload an image. So I'm going to choose an image and give it like a nice title. Say, for example, let's choose this. All right. So this is Times Square. So I'm just going to say Times Square in the evening. So we have used the Zora library right now we are using IPFS to upload the image, which is just going to be decentralized storage at the moment. And then when we want to mint it as an NFT, we have used the Zora library for both minting, fetching the data, which has been already minted, etc. in the marketplace. So now you can see that because I am the owner and I uploaded this, I have the ability to mint this as an NFT. So I'm going to be clicking on mint NFT, and then this is going to be using the Zora library at the backend to mint the NFT. So we wanted to also build the auction house, but we didn't have enough time to do so. So what we have done is we have done a mint, and then we have created a set ask which sets the price for that particular NFT, which I'll be showing you shortly as a part of the marketplace. And yeah, so minted. Let's check the marketplace. So there are a couple of IPFS issues because of which we can see that the error message kind of comes through. But apart from that, you can see here is the marketplace, and we have a couple of other NFTs that have already been minted. This is the recent one that we minted. We can also set a price for this. So say I'm going to say 200. Okay, so you can see that the price of the NFT is also set. We have also created a buy button, which which we'll enable eventually, where we want to kind of create the auction house mechanism that is supported by Zora. So and people can bid and buy this particular NFT. Right now, I'll just show you as a quick look at the minting process that happened. So you can see that the ERC 721 1 minute ago has been minted, and you can see that a Zora token was created. And this is by the this is the address 0xFFE14, which you can see is the same one which is connected to the wallet. So yeah, this is our product demo as of now. Of course, we are planning to add a couple of more features where we can have like a tip bot where you can tip your favorite images and the owner who has uploaded that. You can comment, you can like, and all those other features of social media. And as I mentioned, for the marketplace, we have plans to build an auction house where people can come and bid on a particular NFT of their choice and then buy it. We'll also, of course, add some kind of community censorship where images which get more than like which are being reported multiple times will be removed, etc. But it will be totally community centered. So here is our submission for the decentralized social media platform. We hope that judges enjoy this demo of ours. I hope they enjoyed it. And we're looking forward to feedback from the community as well as from the judges on how you like this product. We would definitely like to take it forward if there are any opportunities for grants and such. And last but not the least, I would like to thank my teammates who helped work really hard and build this product out in just a couple of days. So thank you, everyone.